for a lot of purpose, we are using it to write Java code. Getting it up till now, Sudeshna?
Yes.
You got it? How did we open this? Steps are Eclipse, open up Eclipse, and we had created a project. How did we create a project? File new, others,
Other.
Java project, and click next
Next.
and finish. So this give it a name. Try to give it a, let's say I give it Selenium new, let's say new or Selenium new script. Great job. And then finish. Okay. So that would create a new folder for me and finish. Alright, so I have a new project here. Once I have that, what did I do is I created a new package. How do you create a new package? Right click. You remember how do you create a new package? Right click new package. And then after creating a package, I created a class within the
Class.
package. Class. Once that is done, we have reached a point where we have created the class and we have created the package. Step 2. Now we need to create a main function. Okay, how do you create a main function? Public static void main string args. If you do not understand how I did it, I'll do a recap again. So here, this is the new project which I created, right? I have a source code here. Right click new. I'm going to create a class first, right? Sorry, I'm going to create a package first, right? Here, let's say I'm going to name the package same as my project name. So good job, you reached here perfectly. Selenium new script, and then in this I'm going to create a new class. Okay, Selenium new script, and then finish. Okay, so this creates a new class for me. So we have reached the same place where we were before. Then I created a main function to where the execution will start, correct? Public static void main string args. You would not understand what I have written here, but just we will go into much depth afterwards. Okay, and bracket open bracket close for the main function. Then we brought in the function libraries, right? So how did we do that? Right click on this properties and Java build path, and here we added libraries, add external jars, and we went into the Selenium folder which we had downloaded before here, and I added two things, the client binding, and I also added all the libraries, all the library files. Apply to ensure the reference libraries have it, and click OK. Okay, so we have reached this point. Now I need to start writing my code. So how do you write your code in Selenium? So what will be the first statement? I need to create a class object of class WebDriver. So yeah, go ahead, tell me. You had written it, right? So what will be the first statement here? Yeah, WebDriver driver. So object of class WebDriver, which I have named it driver. Then okay, Ayush, is this right? WebDriver, how it's written? Yeah. So ja- yeah. Yeah. So we need to bring the file. We need to import it, right? Import Selenium. What was this? Okay. Yeah. So WebDriver is done. What's next? Perfect. So that is for error resolution, right? It will give you all the solutions. Okay. New. Yeah. So we are doing it for Firefox, right? Yeah. Capital D, right? And so now this is not understood. Why? Because we do not have the Gecko driver. Okay. Next, it will still give us error because the Gecko driver is not there. Okay. Driver dot hmm, get. Yeah, you can put it in a base URL and then bring in base URL directly. Yes, definitely. I'm going to explain each and every word what is here in the next class, right? Google.com. Okay? Yeah. Not tomorrow. Friday. No, Friday. Yeah.
So no class tomorrow?
Yeah. It will give me a Gecko driver is not there. So let's get in Gecko driver. Okay. All right. So I just click the run button at the top and click OK. So it's giving me an error. You see this? That Gecko driver is not installed. So I need to install something called as a Gecko driver. So how will I do that? Now I got to go to Google again and download a driver for Firefox. What is this? This is again a new library which Firefox has built it for itself so that you can run Selenium scripts on their browser. So Firefox Gecko driver, right? Correct? Release. So it's okay. So how many downloads we need to do? We do a download for Eclipse. We do a download for Java runtime. We do a download for Java development kit, Selenium WebDriver, and if I'm doing it in Firefox, I require a Firefox driver. So these are the downloads that we'll do. Okay. Now this is the Gecko folder for Selenium. Copy it and let's put it in desktop itself. And then Selenium, and I'm going to paste it here. Extract all. Okay, so I have the Gecko driver here in Selenium. So now what I got to give is a path to the Gecko driver so that Selenium can understand it. Again, more technicalities coming up. I'm going to explain each and everything. What is path? What is how we are doing it? Each and everything in the next class, right? So this is the entire path. Yeah. So now tell me, Jagdish. Hmm. Yeah. So where would the path go? Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Where would the path go? Hmm. Okay, so hmm, Jagdish, where how would it happen?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Actually, without that also we can open the browser.
Okay.
We may have some
Error.
some error, but that is not big error. So the browser will.
Yeah, I'm going to explain it in a lot of detail when you come next time. All right?
Which is Friday, right, sir?
Yes.